capacity to think like a 3-year-old child. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin kung gaano nga ba katalino ang star teacher ni Malagos Bird School. Star teacher of the Malagos Bird School, can you greet your students over here? The Malagos way of greeting. One more time, the Malagos way of greeting. Ayun, narinig niyo po ba yun? Sabi niya, Madayaw, because here in Malagos Garden Resort, we always greet our guests with Mabuhay o Madayaw. Now, parang may nakalimutan ka ata. Nakalimutan mo ipakilala ang iyong sarili. So, can you tell your students over here, what's your name? Ayun, narinig niyo po ba yun? Ano rin yung pangalan niya? Lola, not Lola. Not Nona as well, not Nola as well. Let's try that one more time. Everybody listen carefully. What's your name? Nola. Ayun, his name is? Not Noah. Not Lola, not Woa. One more guess. Not Mola as well. Allow me to introduce our star teacher this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, this is actually Donald, our African Grey Parrot. Naku, pasensya na po kayo. British accent po talaga yung mga ibon namin dito. Nakadibiro lang everyone. Now, Donald over here already welcomed you, the Malagos birthday celebrants, Kuya Jeffrey. Naku, magsising and dance raw si Nigel. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin. Music, maestro. We have Nigel swaying side by side. One more time. Oh, may ikot-ikot and swaying side by side. Ayan, Nigel was singing. Narinig niyo po ba yun? Anong kinakanta niya? Ayan, he's singing Boom Tarat Tarat. Nako, very good, Nigel. That's it for Nigel this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Kapitan, our Philippine Hawk Eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the Barangay Captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg. This is why he can barely fly. We nursed him back to health, and as you saw a while ago, he is now one of our swiftest flyers. Can everybody please say hi, Kapitan? Now, as part of our recess time, Kapitan is eating something over there. So, can you tell me, ano po yung kinakain ni Kapitan? What is he eating? He's eating meat. That's because Kapitan is a raptor bird. And raptor birds are birds that eat meat like beef, fish, rabbits, at iba pa. Now, did you know that there are actually two kinds of raptors? I have over here Brian, our Philippine Eagle Owl. Now, I'd like to ask, when Brian was flying from the window pane up to the stage over here, may narinig po ba kayo? Did you hear anything? Wala. I'm sure wala. That's because owls have a silent flight pattern. Literally, hindi po natin sila maririnig lumipad no matter how much they flap their wings. Now, Brian is not the only owl you're going to be meeting this morning. Coming from my back, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Noah. Everybody meet Noah, one of the most beautiful owls in Malagos Garden Resort. Noah over here is a common grass owl and is usually seen in lowland or grassland areas. Now, once again, Noah and Brian are not the only owls you're going to be meeting this morning. Coming from my right, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Ina. Everybody meet Ina, our Everett Scops owl. Now, Ina is very small, so I'd like to make sure, can everybody see Ina? Nakikita po ba natin si Ina? Yes, now Ina might be small, but you know what? She has the greatest or the biggest story out of all the owls here in Malagos Garden Resort. Ina was actually donated to us by the teachers and the principal of Ina Yangan National High School. Thus her name. Ina was donated after a strong rain. Her nest fell from a tree and they were supposed to be a brood of 3, but she was the only one who survived. That's why for us, Ina might be small, but she's the strongest owl that we have. So can everybody please say hi, Ina? Now by now, you might be wondering, what do So ayan, si Terry po ay isang Mindanao Taritic Hornbill or Mindanao endemic bird. Ibig sabihin, dito lamang po sa Mindanao natin makikita. So now if you're visiting from Luzon, from Visayas, or from other country, you are very fortunate because you were able to see this Mindanao endemic bird. And you know what? There's a sad story about this. A round of applause to Terry and of course to our volunteer. Yeah, thank you so much po sir. You will now take your seat. Daghang salamat po for volunteering and for napakarami po kasi nating punong kahoy dito sa ating kagubatan. And usually, yan po ang gusto ng ating mga kalaw. Now, I'd like to share with you a unique characteristic about this bird. You know what, kalaw or hornbill has a distinct look and a distinct sound that resonate. Napakaingay po talaga ng mga ibon na ito. As a matter of fact, our local tribe use hornbill as a clock in the forest. Because at a certain time of the day, like 5 a.m., 12 noon, and 5 in the See, this bird has a distinct way of moving around in the forest. Hindi lamang po sila lumilipad, but they actually love to hop and to jump from branches to branches. So that's how hornbills move around in the forest. And since this time, nandito pa tayo sa bird diet, papakainin po natin si Bingo. If raptors eat meat, ano naman kaya sa kanila we have there, Kuya Gerald? May binibigay na pagkain kay Bingo. Ang tanong, ano naman kaya yung pagkain na binibigay ni Kuya Gerald kay Bingo? Very good, that's papaya because hornbills are frugivores or birds na kumakain ng prutas like mango, banana, papaya, or anything available in our forest land area. So now let's give a round of applause to Kuya Gerald and of course sa ating napakagandang Lupus hornbill na si Bingo. And I'm sure family, no, is for them, iba po ang kulay ng mga babae at iba po ang kulay ng mga lalaki. Now, I'd like to ask everyone here this morning, between these two birds, which one do you think is a girl? Is it the green one or the red one? Ayan ako, iba-iba yung ating mga sagot, no? Ganito na lang para klaro. For those of you who thinks that the green one is a girl, can you raise your hand para makita ko? Kung ang here thinks that the green one is the girl, ayan, ang daming nagtaas ng kamay. And you know what? Ang dami rin. Mali. Because actually, in the Eclectus parrot family, the green ones are the boys, and the red ones are the girls. So this one, perch over. Look ahead, huwag po tayo titingin kay Teacher Rocky because he's gonna be distracted. And we have Waki over here with a 20 peso bill. Good job, Waki. Now, unfortunately, everybody, we only have one teacher bird this morning. So for our volunteers, pwede na po tayong maupo. Palakpakan naman for our volunteers. Naku, pinasok sa bulsa ni Kuya Gerald, ma'am. Si Waki po yun, hindi po yun kami. But anyway, thank you so much, Rapo, and more blessings to come. Now for today, for our financial management class, Teacher Waki is going to teach us ano ba daw dapat gagawin pag may extra money tayo. So Teacher Waki has 3 coin banks over here. 1 coin bank for savings, another coin bank for shopping, and another coin bank for travel. Sige nga, Waki, anong dapat gawin pag may extra money?
Nate, come here.
Eyes on Wacky everyone at sabi niya, naku mag-travel raw po. One more time for shopping. Another one for shopping once again. Another one for travel. And the last one is for the bank for savings. Palakpakan naman for Teacher Wacky everyone. Now, as part of our financial management class, we'd like to remind everyone that it's okay to indulge ourselves once in a while. Mag-travel to everyone as well. Now, for today, for our PE time, magbabasketball showdown raw po ang ating mga kakatoos. Of course, bago sila magbabasketball showdown, mag-warm up raw muna sila. So, sige nga, mag-warm up ninyong dalawa. Ayan, nag-scooter. Papunta sa basketball court si Kaka at si Ruki para raw lesser carbon emission and safe sa environment. Palakpakan naman for Kaka and Ruki, everyone. So, nakapag-warm up na po yung ating players. Ako po yung magiging referee. Ano pa po ba yung kulang natin? What else do we lack? We lack cheerers. So from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Rookie. So when I say let's cheer for Rookie, everybody on this side should cheer Rookie. Rookie. Okay po ba? Ayan, now everybody from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Kaka. So when I say let's cheer for Kaka, everybody on this side should cheer Kaka. Kaka. Okay po ba? Ayan, sige nga. Can I hear the cheer from Team Rookie? Ayan, ako parang walang energy yung Team Rookie. Parang isa lang yung may energy. Tinatawanan tayo ni Kaka, Team Rookie. Let's try that one more time with energy. Can I hear the cheer for Team Rookie? Ayan, very good Team Rookie. Magpapatalo po ba tayo, Team Kaka? Ayan, nagpatalo nga yung Team Kaka. Let's try that one more time. Can I hear the cheer for Team Kaka? Ayan, very good Team Kaka. I think everyone is ready. Our players are ready. Set, play ball. Let's cheer for Team Team Kaka as well. So our winner for the first round would be Team Rookie. Congratulations, Team Rookie. Nako, dito tayo sa losing team. Kuya Jeffrey, ano pong nangyari kay Kaka? Nako, sabi ni Kuya Jeffrey, pinagbigyan lang raw ni Kaka si Rookie. Team Kaka, papayag po ba tayo na walang rematch? Hindi, mag-rematch raw po tayo. So our players are ready, set, play ball. Let's cheer for Team Kaka! Rookie! Rookie! And so, 1 point for Rookie and 1 point for Kaka as well. Now, this now, si Kaka. 2 points for Rookie and 2 points for Kaka as well. Good for Team Kaka as well. Naku, umikot pa kasi si Kaka. But anyway, thank you so much everyone. Ayan, umikot-ikot si Rookie for his victory dance. For the 2 steps raw po yung victory dance ni Rookie. What's the second step, Rookie? Of course, his signature dance move, the headbang. Now, bago raw po papasok ulit sa classroom si Rookie, he wants to say to everyone, bye everyone! Bye everyone! Now, many are asking us, how are we able to know kung bang babae o lalaki po ba ang isang cockatoo? Was actually very simple. Kung pula po ang mata ng isang cockatoo, that means the cockatoo is a girl. Kung itim naman po, that means the cockatoo is a boy. Of course, with Macau. Now, Macaus are birds with enormous beauty. Tingnan niyo naman si Reddy ba? Very colorful and very majestic to look at. That is why it can be very tempting to just bring them home and make them our pets. But of course, it is very important to stress that Macaus has a certain know-how for us to be able to properly take care of them. Take Red here for example. Red has been donated to our doors 15 years ago. And since Red is from Brazil, we cannot release him back to Philippine forest. Now, you might be wondering, may mga parrots po ba na endemic sa Pilipinas o dito lang sa Pilipinas makikita? The answer to that is yes. Two of which that we especially like to mention are the Gayaberos and the Philippine hanging parrot. Both of that you can see here in Malagos Garden Resort in the wild. That is why early mornings, we encourage our guests to try the bird watching activity. An activity where you just get to roam around the resort with your binoculars and observe birds in the wild. This is a gentle reminder from Malagos that we share our home are non-biodegradable o di nabubulok. Good job, Teacher Red. Now, on this side naman may nakita dahon si Red. Sige nga, Red, is that biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Ayan. Now, everybody, according to Teacher Red, ang dahon na po ay biodegradable o nabubulok. Good job, Teacher Red. That's it for Red this morning. Can everybody please say bye, Teacher Red? Of course, it is very important to stress now that climate change is not only harmful Earlier, you might have noticed that our tribal chieftain was praying for the birds for divine intervention. That's usually very common because birds are used as astrological indicators. In fact, if you happen to be in a calamity and you see birds flying up ahead in a circular motion, that's usually a good indicator that it is now safe to return. So please look for these kinds of signs. In every disaster, we're given a chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. That ends our show this morning. We hope you had fun. We hope you learned something new, and more importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful place we call Malagos Garden Resort. By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, and we have been doing this for the past 21 years already. And for our final words, we have Rookie over here to say to everyone, bye-bye everyone! Daghang salamat at mayong buntag kanatong tanan.